Check out that old GTX, man. GeForce, man. You feel me? I was on that thing, man. This was with the pandemic days. They were scalping, so that's all I could get. I got that. I got that RTX, man. 4070 in there now, baby. Yes, sir, ski. Rate my PC build, man. It's a decent, man. It's my first build, man. I mean, besides the upgrade I got. I mean, she did this thing though. You feel me? But now a bigger and better thing. You feel me? You know, I got that liquid cooler, man. Corsair, man. She lit up 850 watt. Bow, bow, wow, wow. She looking good, man. Yes, sir, ski. Time to get some shit done.